morning strikes out here at the Girls on the Run golf tournament this morning. So we've got set up a tent, back wall, table cover, flags, and some other items here sponsoring this golf tournament for Girls on the Run. Great opportunity, great thing they've got going on. And we've got a dartboard set up. We just created a dart wall out of our back wall of our tent. We're throwing darts to win prizes, different swag items, some hats, water bottles, as well as you can win yourself a printed table cover, flag, or even a tent for your business. So let's go play some golf.
Hey y'all, this is Sherry Hansen, past president on the board of directors. I've been serving for Girls on the Run now for almost 8 years here in Utah. Today we're at Mountaindale Golf Course for our 4th annual golf tournament, raising funds to support girls in our program. Why I choose Girls on the Run to support? It's because I think it's very important that our young girls learn the skills they need now before they grow up and have to utilize them.
So my name is Ivy Dinahan. I'm the program director for Girls on the Run. So I just handle everything program-wise. So we're an after-school program for 3rd through 8th grade girls, and our program is 8 weeks long, and it teaches the girls a variety of life skills, empowerment skills, character development skills, and all with the mission of making them more happy, healthy, and confident. So our season ends with a 5K at Sugar House Park, and that's what the girls are training for during the 8 weeks, but it's so much more than running. So we're giving them the tools to increase their self-confidence, to believe in themselves, and to help them find their voice. And the program is all volunteer-led. So every season we do a fall season and a spring season, and we're led by volunteers in the community. Sometimes our coaches are moms, teachers. You don't have to be a runner to be a coach. So we're really thankful for our volunteers. And for today, our golf tournament is just to help raise funds for our program, for our scholarship fund. We never turn a girl away for inability to pay. So a big part of our program is fundraising. So we do events throughout the year just to help our scholarship fund. We give shoes to any girls in need.
Hey guys, we're Shield's marketing team. We're out here at Girls on the Run. We're so excited to be here and support the girls and be here at this beautiful golf course. We love everything that Girls on the Run does for the community, and we're just glad to be a part of it.
Hi, my name is Alina Gomez. I'm the group's account executive for the Utah Grizzlies. We are the ECHL hockey team out here in West Valley, Utah, where we are stationed in the Maverick Center. We're really happy working with Girls on the Run. They are a nonprofit that I hold near and dear to my heart. I think building strong girls and making sure girls have the opportunities available for them are one of the most important things we can do for our community. So we're really happy to be out here today. We look forward to working with Girls on the Run in the future and making sure that anything that they need, they know they have a helping hand in the community.
So we are from BMO, which is Bank of Montreal, and we are a whole sponsor for the Girls on the Run tournament, and this is one of our favorite events to come to because we just really believe in the event, and we're super excited to be here. So thanks for letting us come.
My name is Brian Funk. I work for the Moab Brewery here in Utah, and I am the Sales, Events, and Promotions Coordinator for the state.
Hi, my name is Tyler Riggio. I'm with Young Power Sports in Layton. We also have a team out here as well, and we are sponsoring the Hole-in-One Shop.
Hey everyone, I'm Miranda, and I'm Mary, and we're here supporting Girls on the Run. We're here with the agency Salt Lake City, and we're here to level up your real estate experience.
My name is Andrew Eigner. I am the World Long Drive Champion last year in the amateur division and now the 45th ranked pro in the world. I chose to be here at Girls on the Run because they're doing amazing things for these young girls, teaching them confidence through running as well as camaraderie. And we're supporting scholarships and providing equipment for these girls to give them that opportunity. It's really awesome, and we're hitting 400-yard drives today on this hole just to do that for the players. So excited to be here and be back in the future.
So we are Grandeur Peak Global Advisors, and we are a mutual fund investment company that does global equities. I work on a research team, and Deanna is our office manager, and we support Girls on the Run because we love supporting local charities. We think their mission of empowering girls to live healthy, active, and social lifestyles is great, and we're just happy to be part of it.